Morning everybody, April 17th, Tuesday or Wednesday, got my phone here, Wednesday, April 17th. Alright, so we got to take a little break from the CD build and we got to do a couple of things that involve summer, spring maintenance. We got to make sure, in my opinion, if you've got lawnmowers, tractors, farm equipment, whatever type thing, forklifts, I don't care, excavators, and you're going to change the oil on them, start doing it now. That way, when you actually need the thing and want to start using it, since we're getting into the nice weather, you don't have to be all kind of, revved up to start your project, but you got to you're like, oh, I really got to change this oil. It's like 50 hours past when it's due and blah blah blah. Get it done now, that way it's off the plate. And then we're going to also use the tractor to pull out a couple of prickly bushes which are just kind of, I don't know, just kind of dead, and they look like ghetto ass in there in a way, so we're going to get rid of them, and maybe we'll plant something else there or do something with them, I don't know. But let's get the oil on this tractor changed. The oil filter should come off easy. I bought a Kubota oil filter, Kubota oil, so let's not waste too much time getting that done. Let's get the tractor started and warmed up. Okay, so there's the oil filter right where my hand is, right here. March 20 or 25, 52 hours, March 23rd of last year. It's been a year. Definitely due for a change. I thought I had wrote on the damn thing what size wrench it took. Oh well. Box of Kubota down here. And this thing. That's about it. This is a super handy oil filter remover. This probably need, we'll see what kind of an extension we need when we get out there. 14 mm, 14 mil. Alright. Alright. Take my glove off because I don't want oil all over my glove. It's probably going to be hot too. And it's dirty. Here's the bolt. Yeah, that's pretty dirty oil, man. That was definitely 14 mm, right? Yeah. Okay. Not the best angle to be doing this. Alright. That's pretty drained now. I don't know what that is. Alright. Gunk off of the thing here. Remember, guys, this doesn't need to be that tight. You're not torquing a bolt back onto a battleship. That's what my old man used to say. Good enough. Dunsky. Now let's just get the other thing off. There we go. See, it makes a difference when you don't wrench it on from last friggin' time. Tell me about it. I knew it was going to dribble on everything. Beauty. Never met a piece of equipment that when you went to change the oil filter, it didn't drip on everything. Oh yeah, by the way, this oil and filter. Oil and filter were like $65 or something like that. Okay. Looks good. Don't forget to lube your oil filter gasket. Oh, cold. Screw it on like Donkey Kong. Don't cross thread it. And to tighten it, once it touches, so give her about another half to 2/3 of a turn. Oh, it'd be easier to do with my your hands. Okay, that's definitely good. Crud. The brake clean took my pen off. Friggin' thing. If you want to adjust your reverse, see right here, there's the stop, there's the bolt. It hits it like that. You can come down a little bit more. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna leave it. So the oil goes in right here. So we gotta get our funnel. Alright, so it takes about, I don't know, 3.5 liters, something like that. We'll just chug-a-lug a bunch in there. Might have been better if I had a... Yeah, this is not going to work well. Let me get my other funnel. We need at least another liter. Probably not the best idea to check it right now. You're not going to get too accurate a reading, but you know, it's good enough, right? Get you in the ballpark, and you can fine tune it later. Still showing fairly low. All right, let's dump a little more in. That's pretty close to 4 liters by now. Ah, yeah, we're good. We are G-O-O-D. We're good. Alright. Oil cap here. Give it a wipe. Alright, nice and snug. Let's check the air filter while we're here. Alright. Dump. Dump. Air filter works pretty good. I don't see any major problemos with it. Alright, we're just going to stick it back in. Alright. Make sure your white arrow and the top go together. Alright. Yikes. Spilled a lot. Good job. Yeah. A little environmental hazard here. Ugh. More like an environmental mess. Alright, let me go. Get the lid. Transferred what was left of the good oil into a smaller little 1 liter container. And we'll take this oil, bring it to the recycling place. There's a couple around here. Don't want to just throw it in the garbage. That's kind of a shitty thing to do. Okay guys, we're done. You saw it with your own eyes. Bug. If a ding-dong like me can change the oil in my Kubota tractor, you shouldn't have a problem. Ram 1500. Cross your fingers guys that that thing stays working for a while now. It's been giving me some cylinder misfire errors. I clear the code out and it's okay. I'm thinking maybe it needs some new plugs or something, because I don't know, they haven't been changed since I owned it, and who the heck knows when the last guy ever did it. But anyways, yeah, so we're getting off track. Okay, so Kubota oil, 5W30, new filter, 116 hours, so it's my second time changing it. The original oil, 1 change, 2 change. So I'm on 2 changes, my second change. So what we're going to do is leave it at that for now. Hope you learned something. I didn't learn anything. All I know is once you've done it once and you go back, it's way easier. That factory oil filter, it was a bugger to get off. Holy crap, I mangled the heck out of it. I know this is my second video changing the oil, so I did a search on YouTube for oil changing Kubota. I only found 500 videos, so I figured, maybe we need one more. Yeah, 500 is not enough. Let's get 501 up there. LOL, right? Yeah, not funny. Okay, but this is Dwoodog style, so everybody has their own twist on doing it. I hope I filled in some blanks. It's on the BX. On my BX, it's a 14mm oil drain plug. And I put up the part number of the oil filter. I just went with Kubota 1030 oil. It's much easier. I'm already at the dealer. Might as well just buy their oil. Is it more expensive? Meh, probably. It's a synthetic blend, so if you want to go full synthetic in yours, fine. But this is good enough for me. My tractor doesn't get a ton of use. I've owned it like 2 years now. 2 years, yeah, this summer, something like that. It's only got 116 hours on it, man, so yeah, that should let you know how much I'm using it. Not a lot. Anyways, guys, we're going to leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Give her a like, comment, subscribe. Sayonara from the Dwoodog.